Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your PC supports UEFI Secure Boot and that Battlefield 6 requires it for anti-cheat. Once done, create a Windows recovery, USB, and backup saves. Make sure you have admin rights. Reboot into BIOS or UEFI settings using the vendor key, and note current boot mode and legacy options so you can revert if needed. You do not waste time on trivial checks. Switch to UEFI mode now and locate secure boot options to prepare for enabling keys. You now change boot mode to UEFI and disable CSM or legacy support. This step forces firmware to honor secure boot. Next, enable secure boot and select the standard or default key set so Windows and anti-cheat can validate binaries. If you run custom sign drivers, enroll those signatures into the DB or use machine owner key enrollment. Otherwise, stick with vendor defaults. Make sure to save and exit, then allow the firmware to reboot so keys take effect. Before moving to OS, you finish by booting Windows and confirming Secure Boot is active via system information where Secure Boot state should read on. Once verified, update GPU and anti-cheat drivers, then launch Battlefield 6 to confirm the game and its protection initialize cleanly. If you encounter boot refusal or driver signing errors, reboot to firmware and restore prior settings, or use the recovery USB to roll back. One key troubleshooting tip. If a driver blocks boot, disable Secure Boot temporarily to uninstall it, then re-enable after cleanup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.